Kumalulaileros, wherever I should be. Don't work for any master till you know what your work will be. For you must rise up early from a clear daylight till dawn, and I'm afraid you'll never be able to plough the rocks upon. Oh, rise up, lovely Sweeney, and give your horse some hay, and give him a good feed of oats before you go away. Don't feed him on soft turnip, put him out on your green lawn, or I'm afraid he'll never be able to plough the rocks upon. And my curse attend you, Sweeney, you have me nearly robbed. You're sitting by the fireside with a doujin in your gob. You're sitting by the fireside from a clear daylight till dawn, and I'm afraid you'll never be able to plough the rocks upon. And my shoes, they are well worn now, my stockings, they are thin. My heart is always trembling, afraid I might give in. My heart is always trembling, from the clear daylight till the dawn, and I'm afraid I'll never be able to plough the rocks upon. And I wish the Queen of England would send for me in time and place me in some regiment, all in my youth and prime. I would fight for Ireland's glory from the clear daylight till the dawn, and I never would return again to plough rocks upon. That's my best.